Welcome to another unboxing and assembly video, my friends. It's a Cheesy It gaming chair. Okay friends, well this is a pretty neat gaming chair. Obviously going with your gaming solutions there. Have your computer, your PC, all that. A lot of RGB stuff. I have mouse pads, RGB, my computer is, my mouse, my keyboard, everything. So this kind of matches that. Really cool lights on here. I think yeah, I'll let everyone be able to appreciate it. Looks nice, it's comfortable, the stitching. Just a nice little comfortable chair. Even here where it has the lights here, it's still like a mesh, like kind of a squishy and everything right here. So I would think that that would be like a plastic there or something, but it's basically just a see-through material, but it's actually still comfortable like the chair is. So my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was useful. You guys have a great day and I'll see you next time. All right, my friends, here we go. Got the chair all set up, got it in the gaming room here. Playing a little bit of Rocket League, RGB keyboard with the mouse pad, matching the super comfortable gaming chair with the lights on there. So lots of fun, cool little chair. Reclines basically as much back as you want to, so you can almost fall asleep in this thing. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope it was useful. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.